Welcome to the EZU course about the toolbars. In this course, you will learn how to navigate the sidebars at the top and left of every page in EZLynx. So, let's get started. We'll begin by breaking down what each of these icons and buttons do on the top toolbar. Regardless of what page you're on in EZLynx, this toolbar will always be visible. On the top right-hand side, you should see a colored circle with your EZLynx username initials inside. Clicking on this reveals user settings and logout. In user settings, you can update your contact info, change your password, select your preferences, create a signature for Accord forms and email, view login activity, and set up two-factor authentication. As you would expect, logout will log you out of EZLynx altogether. The next three buttons on this toolbar will only be available if you have the EZLynx Management System product. These are part of what we call the agency workspace. The first one is Add Note, which allows you to create a new note and tie it to a customer's account. Next is the Task List button, which allows you to view and modify tasks as they pertain to your customers. If there are any overdue tasks, the number will appear in a circle at the top of the button. The final Agency Workspace button on this toolbar is for notifications. Anytime a user comments or updates something you're following, you will receive notifications. If you have any unread notifications, a circle with the number inside will appear at the top of the button. The following button on this toolbar will only be available if you have the EZLynx Automation Center product. This is the Workflows button, which allows you to view in-progress workflows and history, or create a new manual workflow. The next button on this toolbar is something everyone will see, regardless of what EZLynx products you have. This is the Help button, which is a circle with a question mark inside. Here, you can message our support team or read solutions articles based on any questions you may have. In the left-hand corner of the toolbar, you'll see the EZLynx logo. For easy navigation, this logo serves as a button as well. Clicking on it will take you back to the homepage of your account. Now, let's move on to the navigation toolbar on the left-hand side. Like the top toolbar, this one will be visible regardless of what page you're on in EZLynx. Please keep in mind that you may not have all of these icons, as it depends on what products you've purchased. Hovering over these icons will reveal a menu to the right with clickable links pertaining to the product or category. The icons that do not reveal a menu are buttons. Simply click on the button to navigate to that page. We'll start at the top of the toolbar and work our way down. The first icon is one that everyone will have, which is the dashboard. Inside the dashboard is the home page link, should you decide not to use the EZLynx logo button to navigate home. The other links within the dashboard will depend on what products you've purchased. Below dashboard is the applicants icon. This is where you can create new applicants, search applicants, import applicants, and view quotes. If you have Submission Center, the link for that is housed here as well. Next is Policy Management. Here, you can find policy and claim transactions, the Accord library, and links related to commissions. Below that is Communication Center. Here, you'll find links related to email campaigns, voice and text, postal mail, and virtual agent. After Communication Center is Accounting. Here, you'll find links for billing, receivables, payables, general ledger, reporting, and configuration. Following Accounting is Reporting. Here, you'll find saved and scheduled reports, as well as all of the reports for each product or category. Next, we have Settings. This is where you can manage settings for most products and features. Then we have the Admin button, which will only be available to agency admins. In the admin portal, you can add and manage users, add and manage carriers, as well as manage security settings. Below admin is the support icon. This houses links to the support center, blog, training videos, free webinars, carrier library, and EZLynx University. Additionally, there's a link to contact us, should you have any questions or run into an issue. The next icon is specifically for Retention Center. Here, there are links to Retention Center reports and settings, as well as the overview page. After Retention Center, we have the Sales Center icon. Once again, you'll find links for Sales Center reports and settings, as well as opportunities and prospecting. Next is the Marketplace icon. Here, you can view, manage, and add marketplace integrations. Additionally, if you're an agency admin, you'll find links for branch configuration and hidden integrations. The second to last button is the Buy Online portal. Clicking on this will open a new window where you can submit a form if you're interested in purchasing any additional EZLynx products. Finally, we have the Refer a Friend button, which will open a new window where you can refer someone to EZLynx. There is a monetary reward for referrals, but please read the fine print at the bottom of the page before making a submission. That's all for this EZU course on the toolbars. You should now have the knowledge to navigate the top and left sidebars in EZLynx. Thanks for watching.